there are lots of Facebook and WhatsApp groups created by ASU or whatever college you go to. So you just have to Google if for some ASU housing. Try to connect to a few seniors to find out where everyone is staying, what are the prices of the places, and if possible they can even send you pictures of the house. The expenses in ASU consisting of rent and food and utilities comes up to around 800 to 1000 depending on how lavishly or how you spend. I got a few ready to eat food packets for the first few days. There was rajma chawal and some kind of dals and lentils that was there in the local stores. So I got all of them. But eventually my roommates and I, we started grocery shopping and then we started cooking at home. But over here, there's more focus on assignments and projects. It's more about application, how much you know, than how much you study or rely upon books. Also, teaching-wise, I think it's pretty much the same. I mean, so professors are pretty learned over here, and you can get into research if you really like a professor and you like what they're doing. You can even ask them if you can join their research and do that in your free time. You should at least reach 1 week in advance before the college commences so that you can get into the groove of college, and you can make a few friends out there and so that you can feel much more at ease when college starts. You will meet people of different nationalities over there. You will make a lot of friends, and you will get to know a lot about the amenities and other opportunities that are there in ASU. So definitely thumbs up on the orientation. One should definitely not miss that. There are 150 students in my class, and a lot of them are actually Indians. I would say 70% of them are Indians, 20% will be Asians, and around only 10% are Americans. 70% of the class has prior experience, and I think it is kind of necessary to have some prior experience. It depends on the experience. If it matches the skill sets of what the companies are looking for, if it's really very hot in the market, it will matter. But otherwise, if not, then it doesn't really matter that way. There are pockets where I get to go swimming or go to the gym. I am also part of a few clubs which are like engineering projects and community service and women who code. So these clubs are very beneficial to discuss the current topics, and probably they also conduct workshops where different companies come in and you can interact with them. All the clubs are part of the fees, so you can go attend whatever you like whenever.